Okay, welcome back. Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, episode 6. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Okay, what do we got?
Close to the survey station.
Here, maybe?
The decorations here are slightly more colorful than in my dimension.
Bolts, focus.
Let's see.
Sorry.
You looking for the chief engineer? Use that safety lift to get to the
Give me
site.
that.
Thanks.
The dimensional damage seems to be getting
Holy
worse.
shit.
Kinda pretty. In a deadly, terrifying way.
Yes. That's right. Kinda pretty.
There. That must be the chief engineer.
Okay, what do we got? What do we got here?
Do you hear that?
No.
Voices. Haven't been hearing them for too long. Wherever the purple is, they are too. First the quakes and the blazon. Now this.
I don't hear anything. Except someone asking if you'll be drilling for phase court soon.
Not until I determine what's going on. For all we know, this whole drill site is haunted. That's why I sent my science bots out to scan the purple.
And?
I have to pick them up. When I know it's safe.
Wait! I'll find the bots and bring them back here safe and sound.
These bots have intercepted a message from your dimension. Perhaps it is from that person we encountered.
Hopefully they can help us figure out what happened there and prevent it here. Let's go.
Testing comms. The bots would have followed the paths marked by the survey rods. I'm sure they're listening in on the purple.
The tremors are increasing in frequency and size.
Safety first. Try not to trip, slip, or break anything.
Was it too much to ask that we be able to find phase courts without dodging earthquakes and lava?
Okay, what do we got? No. Holy shit. What the fuck are you doing?
There. One of my bots is
Holy
up
shit.
there. It's... Oh, sweet Bob.
So many of them.
Greetings. We are in the greatest of dangers. Follow. Be quick.
Okay.
Please come. Oh, goodness. Oh, no. Hurry. Scorched fur smells awful.
I'm trying to be hurry, man. Okay.
Finally. A decent connection. I need to warn you about. Very dangerous.
That could describe almost anything on this planet.
Indeed. We should be cautious.
Really? Now?
I am overheating. If only I could sweat. I must flee.
I'll ping her so she comes back to me. Looks like she picked up an audio file. I'll start cleaning it up. There's an old research lab ahead. If I know Jim, that's where he'd head first.
Jim? Oh, right.
Fucker.
Whoa, that was close. You wouldn't give up yet?
No.
It'd be great if you did.
Okay, what do we got?
Behind the safety glass.
Holy shit, it's so pretty game, man. Let's go. Okay, wait. Okay, let's see.
Stop and listen. It's damaged. It will destroy. You don't need it that badly.
Perhaps she is talking about the safety protocols. I know I find red tape
Easy.
Non-hostile entity. Hello, are you my new best friend?
No. You should head back to the chief engineer.
Friendship request denied. Sad noise. Returning to chief engineer.
Aww.
Stop fussing, Jim. Hopefully he picked up interdimensional messages and didn't get distracted trying to find friends.
Identified. Hostile entity. Hello, are you my new best friend?
Okay, where should I go? Okay.
You see something over there?
Yep, still me.
Are you always suspicious that anyone you meet works for Emperor Nefarious?
Pretty much everyone I meet does work for Emperor Nefarious.
Ah, a fair point.
Easy peasy, man.
Drill
Lemon
platforms.
squeezy.
Well, defunct ones. 1,000,000% sure rifts opened over here. You'll definitely find the bots.
What is this? No. Let's go.
Okay, I see the
No.
door over on that platform on the right.
Nice.
Past the broken bridge.
There must be a way to reach it. We have reached the bot platform, but the functional bot is in the intact dimension.
Right. We're missing something.
Okay. I need to go there, apparently. But different time zones. Okay.
Oh! The crane moved the crystal.
This may bring us one step closer to reaching the bot.
Okay, that's easy too. Let's go there. Oh,
Dimensional something or other. Really ruined the safety record.
Charming accent. Yeehaw! What are y'all doing here? Returning to Chief Engineer with an important message.
Oh, Sam, always trying to find herself. One step closer to figuring out this message. That's all of them. Thanks. Come back to my survey station. Let's see what the little bots picked up from the other side.
okay, there's 3. I wanted 3 Rateriums. Let's do it. It's here. Oh. Holy shit. Come on. Maybe just 2. That's enough. Okay, what now?
Proximity warning. Hazardous life forms detected. Facility security lockdown engaged.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I designed the security system myself. Except that motion trackers are staying there inside the house. Room. Me.
Holy shit. This is not looking good.
What the heck is that thing?
Okay.
Location unknown.
I know it.
Life forms unknown. Protocol destroy.
A gift from my dimension to yours. Now I'm gonna reduce it.
Would like to unlock the secrets of a shattered dimension.
You fucker!
Using my mighty side.
Die!
Emperor will hear of this.
We are alarmingly outnumbered here.
Come on, man! Fucking die!
Come on.
Come on! Nice job!
Platforms no longer detected. Security walls disarmed. Thank you, and have a blazing Blizzard day.
Phew. Okay, minor setback. Gonna take a little longer to decode this message. But you guys can use the drill. Jim will take you there.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, are you my new best friend?
Sure.
Maybe.
Happy noises. I will take you to our phase quartz extracting drill in the name of friendship.
That can't be good.
That dimensional anomaly is identical to the one we saw on Sargasso.
Good. That means you can deal with it.
As your best friend, I must warn you that dimensional integrity could have affected the drill.
What's that mean?
As your best friend, I do not want you to worry, so I will not expound at this time. Instead, impromptu music.
I can't authorize drill usage until the blockage in that tube is cleared.
We should go for karaoke after this. Do you like karaoke, best friend? I will dislike it if you dislike it.
You ready to fix another dimensional mess?
Leave it to me.
This is where I must leave you in body, but never in spirit. Goodbye, best friend.
Bye, Jim. Could miss that little guy.
Clank, I just saw Ratchet.
Okay.
On Savali.
Another
did.
puzzle, so
How
let's
is
go.
he?
Great. But appropriately heroic. But I digress. Your possibilities are
Okay,
waiting
I need
for
to
you
break
guide
this.
them to the meta-terminal.
My possibilities cannot pass through with that
Okay,
much
what
wind.
now?
Is there some way I can weigh them down?
Okay. Take this.
Ah, that's a heavy sphere. It will weigh down any object it touches, which sounds obvious when you say it out loud.
So what
Okay.
is in that book of yours?
The most
This
up-to-date
one.
collection of knowledge in the
Oh,
universe,
Jesus.
as cataloged by my father.
And who is that?
I believe you know him as the plumber.
He is your father? What is he doing now?
Taking his first vacation ever. So he left me in charge, and I'm trying my best, but it's a lot to live up to even when the universe isn't in danger.
What are we doing now?
So, how did you get the title Prophet?
I actually didn't choose the name. It was given to me by the Savali monks after I helped them decipher some of their archives.
What does that mean?
Just a lot of pointing and saying stuff like, that's a
Okay.
Blargian phone
This
book.
heavy
That's
one
a
here.
Tooth. That's a Terraclon love poem.
Okay, now this one. Get there. And I need to break
I
that.
am
I
blocked.
think. Yes.
I think that saw can help clear the path.
Okay. Need to break this somehow. need heavy. Here. Give me that. Put it there. And let's go here. Come on. That should be enough.
Oh my! I have to write this down because that was incredible, Clank! Only 2 more to go.
Okay, let's go.
How are
What do
things
we
going
got now?
with Rivet?
Well enough. She hacked my brain and saw my memories.
Is that what
Okay,
you
break
kids
this,
are
break
doing these
this.
days? I'm so out of touch.
What the fuck?
It is interesting. For being dimensional counterparts,
Okay.
Ratchet and Rivet have surprising differences. Ratchet never had
that-
any wariness of
what
robots
is
when
that?
he met me. Yet Rivet
What do we got?
does.
A lightweight.
Maybe your dimension is the outlier. Maybe all the other Ratchets don't like robots in their dimensions either.
Okay, don't need that. No.
Things are about to get pretty heavy.
No, give me that. Okay, I need the heavy. Right here. And
I hope I'm not interrupting
the
the
light.
process, but I think there are
Yeah.
more spheres left to find.
My possibilities are a visual representation of my
Okay.
mind, trying to understand dimensionality. And the more I help them find their way, the more
Okay, now I need
I will
fast
understand and
one.
be able to fix
here and light
everything.
one here.
That saw is blocking
Nope.
the path. If I could just find a way to lower it.
And this one here. That's it. And the light one here and the fast one here. Is that it? Yes, it is.
Oh,
Let's
nice.
go.
I never thought to use the sphere like that.
Let's go.
Is there anything about Ratchet and Rivet that's
Holy
the same?
shit.
They are both very quick to take action. Unlike me, I always get so caught up in the details.
And you wish you were better about that.
Not all the time. But
Okay,
it would be
heavy
nice
here.
to not have to worry so much.
What the fuck? What the fuck am I doing now? Okay.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find.
Give me that.
Zero G on demand.
Okay. Put it there. And we got this.
Ah, Clank! I think I
Thank
know how
you.
to help you with your getting caught up in the details problem. You just gotta
Okay,
be
maybe the
confident.
fast.
What do you mean?
If there's one thing
Fast,
I've learned
no.
from my
No
father,
fast,
it's that
okay.
acting like you know what you're doing can get you everywhere in life.
The
That
fuck,
and
man?
carrying a plunger.
Okay, what are we doing now, man? It's fucking interesting. I need to break it. Maybe like this. Okay, that's it. And now what? Maybe the best one? No. Best one, light one maybe? Okay, the light one is it. That's it. Okay. That's good. And this is not good. This one hard. That should be it. Got it.
The Blizzard anomaly has been fixed. Great job, Clank.
Fucking got it.
Thank you.
No, thank you. And remember, confidence is the key.
Let's go. Fuck.
Now we can deal with the clock.
Yeah. I sent the top minds on the team to fix the tube, and they got stuck. That's it! Hydraulic supply restored!
With that fixed, we should now be able to use that elevator.
Time to drill for some phase quartz. Almost there. Use the drill, get our phase quartz, repair the Dimensionator.
In case I do not get another chance to say it, thank you.
Don't get mushy on me now, Bolts. We're not done yet. Hey, look! The Bro Squad is back.
Holy shit.
I cannot help.
Here we got Brocade.
What? We still do not know what happened
Shotgun.
to your Dimensions Blizzard.
We will soon. What?
We still do not know what happened to your Dimensions Blizzard.
We will soon. Then we can stop it from happening in this dimension.
Side. This side.
Ah! Nowhere to go!
Like this.
Seriously, this is a big deal. It completely...
Are these the messages that the chief engineer is hearing?
Okay, what do we got now? Holy shit, so many things.
We are fast approaching the main drill.
Oh my god, we got it.
Wow! It's been my lifelong dream to operate a drill 100 times bigger than me.
Really? That is very specific.
Specific goals are achievable goals.
Lombax robot, brilliant news. I decoded the message from beyond. Listen.
Finally, good reception. Listen, do not turn on the drill. The rifts damaged it. The drill destroyed our Blizzard.
What? We just turned it on!
Take cover! Lock down and get... I can try a remote shutdown. Boy, how bad a shit.
Stupid freaking drill!
I thought you loved giant machinery.
I've had a change of heart.
Come on. Lombax. fuck are you doing here now? Fucker.
Phase quartz suspended in the drill bead.
What is going on? Okay.
Oh, you guys.
Holy shit.
We
More
must
of them.
return to the other dimension quickly.
No. Use it. Okay.
Payback's coming!
Really? Let me kill them.
That is the last of them.
There's gotta be a way back around here.
Okay, what do we got here? No? How can I change the dimension? What the hell? Nope. Okay, here. Okay. Get pixelized, fuckers. Get the fuck out of here.
Everybody, I can't shut down the drill. I forgot to update the tools 4.331. If a sweet death and
Okay, what now?
have a blazing blizzard day.
We are not gonna die, blazing or otherwise.
What is your plan?
That dropship. It's big and heavy.
And full of fuel.
Come on.
It is perilously close to becoming a bomb.
Or, if we crash it into the drill, we could dislodge it and stop the planet from shattering.
Normally, I'd say that's against protocol. but this
Fucking
is the
really?
post-apocalypse world we live in, so go for it.
Then, brace for impact.
Hello, it is your best friend, Jim. Please do not die, as I deleted my
No.
sad noises suite as soon as we became best friends.
Not now, Jim.
I wish I had
Okay.
a sad noise to play.
Okay. This one. Fucking die. Take it.
Oh, no.
Well, maybe it's not as bad as it... I know this is gonna sound totally weird, but the Morts used to tell me legends about someone on Torin 4 called the Fixer. If it's broke, the Fixer'll fix it.
Then I suppose we should see if the legends are true.
I can't believe we saved Blizzard.
How about we fix up this phase quartz and save the universe? All right, Bolts. Let's go find the fixer.
If you are right, and the fixer is able to repair the phase quartz, we will have achieved the impossible.
The Morts always spoke so fondly of him. And trust me, they are terrible liars.
Then perhaps we still stand a chance of saving the dimensions.
Okay, let's end this episode here. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!